Okay, after installing my CPU and my aftermarket heatsink, I installed my EPGA GT GeForce GTX 660 video card. I've hooked up my SSD, my mechanical hard drive, everything's hooked up to the power, RAM's in, all my front ports are hooked up, DVD drive's hooked up. We're pretty much done at this point, but we need to check everything to make sure everything works. That's why I got a monitor set up right here. There's wires hanging out everywhere, but that will be the last step after I check everything and make sure everything works. And I'll make everything look nice and tidy. Overall, it's took me about 4 hours of actual labor. Most of the day, I mean, it took me most of the day, but most of the time I was just looking up stuff on the internet and taking my time and making sure I did everything right the first time. It looks really good as of right now.
Oh, don't go up!
So let's go ahead and hit the power button and see if everything works. Give me a second. I'll have to plug everything in.
Wow.
Okay, switch on our surge protector. Power to my monitor. Okay, power to my computer. And here goes nothing. Everything looks good. Aftermarket heat sinks running pretty good. It's actually got a top of the fan. It's got a controller, so you can switch it to high or low.
Wow, dude, that easy.
See if our video card is running. It's running pretty good. So far, so good. There's our two 120mm LED fans on the front. Check our disk drive. That works. Turn our LEDs on, off. Everything looks good so far, so I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect the power. After I check on-screen settings, I got connectivity. Actually, just showing my specs. I gotta set up my BIOS information, and the rest is just software. So, as of right now, we're looking pretty good.
Whoa!
I like it.
Wow!
This is my first PC build, however, I mean,
I got fucked, dude.
that's probably why it's took me this long, but I wanted to be careful and make sure everything was right the first time. So, alright, I'm gonna go ahead and power this back down. Disconnect my cables. And that's about it for right now. I'm gonna do my cable management, set everything up, make everything nice and tidy, and put my case back together and try to set up my software. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in a bit.